To all, today we are going to lecture 2, physics 2, chapter is electrostatics. Already we are studying about what is charge, what are the types of charge, everything. Now we are going to lecture 2 is your properties of charges. What we are studying about? Properties of charges. So now we know what do you mean by properties. ताले आज कौन पढ़िबा properties of charges. What are the property? First one, quantization of charges. Quantization of charges. Second one, additivity. Additivity of charges. Third one, conservation of charges. So now we are discussing about three things. First property is your quantization of charges. Second property is your additivity of charges, and third property is your conservation of charges. Now we discuss what do you mean by quantization. So what do you mean by quantization? That means let imagine this is a body, it will be containing positive and negative of charges. This means this is a body containing 2 number of positive charges and 3 number of negative charges. Then what do we mean by quantization of charges? That means we can calculate how we can calculate the total number of charges in this body. How we can calculate? That means we can calculate the charges by the formula equal to plus or minus any. So what do you mean by this? This means the total charge of the body can be calculated by plus or minus any. That means total charge is the integral multiple of charge of the electron. Then what is the statement of quantization charges? The total charge of the body is the multiple or integral multiple of charge of the electron. That means this body can be divided into 2 parts. One is your Q equal to minus any, another one is your Q equal to plus any. You should remember here minus E should be denoted for electron, charge of electron, and plus E should be denoted plus charge of protons. Yes or no? So now we are just describing about what do you mean by quantization. Quantization से charges माने कौन? That means गुटे body रो total charge केते होबो? ना that means केते टा n अच्छी calculation करियार अछि. N means number of integral multiple. That means either it is electron or it is proton. Then charge of the electron. That means E value should be equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. N should be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Have you any doubts? No doubts. That means total charge equal to plus or minus n E. That means when we are calculating total charge of a body in case of quantization, that means it is always multiple of charge of the electron. That means either it is 1.6 into 10 to the 19 into 1, or it is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 into 2, 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 into 3. That means it is always the multiple of the charge of the electron. That means it is either 1.6 or 3.2 or 4.8 or 6.4 or 8.0 like this way. That means it never be 2.5, never be 3.5, never be 2.45 like this. It do not be like this. It always be multiple of 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Have you any doubts? No. Next we are just going to second properties of the charges, that is called additivity. All of you know charge is a which type of quantity? Charge is a scalar quantity. So what do you mean by additivity? Additivity means addition. Additivity means addition. That means total charge of the body. How we can calculate? That means it is the sum of the individual charges. Let imagine this is a body. This is a body containing plus 5Q, plus 3Q, minus 2Q, plus 7Q, minus 3Q. this amount of charges this body can be contained. According to additivity, what do you mean by this? This means total charge of the body. How we can calculate? We can calculate by sum of the individual charges. That means Q should be equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 plus Q5 like that up to Qn. Means sum of the individual charges should be equal to total charge of the body. That means here total charge should be equal to 538 plus 7 means 15Q minus 5Q. So answer should be equal to plus 10Q. This means this calculation can be done by simplicity method of addition, but that is called integer calculation or integer addition. Have you any doubts? This is called additivity or addition. That means what is the statement now? That means total charge of the body is sum of the individual charges. Means body देहरे total charge केमिति calculation करिवि body रे जो individual charges दिबो से मान को सब sum करिवि गोटे गोटे करिकि after that we are calculating. This is the additivity. This is called additivity. Have you any doubts? No. Next we are going to calculation of next property is your conservation of charges. What do you mean by conservation? All of you remember the term conservation will be derived from constant. What do you mean by conservation? That means conservation of charge means charge is constant when the system is isolated. That means total charge of the system is constant at that time when it is in isolated system. In case of isolated system, the total charge is constant. That is called conservation of charges. Let imagine this is a body A and this is a body. This is a body A and this is a body B. A body contain 5 proton and 5 electron. That means total charge should be equal to 0. And B body contains 7 proton and 7 electron. That means total charge should be equal to 0. Have you any doubts? No. Now what will happen? If A body will be giving the electron of 3 electron here, what will happen? Here 3 electron will be given there. That means here 2 electron, 5 proton, 2 electron. That means the body should be equal to positive charge body. This is 3 proton. Means the body will be positives. Here what will happen? We just see. Here it will be given to the body 3 electron. This means this is 7 proton, 10 electron. This means this is equal to minus 3. What you see? You just see. This is 3 proton. This is 3 electron. That means net charge should be equal to 0. But initial stage, the net charge should be equal to 0. Means after transfer of electron, net charge 0. After transferring the electron, net charge 0. Before the electron should be transferred, the net charge 0. After the electron should be transferred, net charge 0. That means what we concluded here? We are concluded that the total charge of the body should be equal to constant. Means only charge can transform from one system to another system. One system to another systems. Next we are going to difference between charge and mass. All of you know this is very important difference for you for your examinations. Next one is your charge. Next one is your mass. So all of you see, means charge is always positives or negative or 0. Have you noticed? Charge कौन हम पॉजिटिव हो पारिबो नेगेटिव हो पारिबो 0 हो पारिबो बट मास टा कौन हम ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव्स. केते बेले भी मास हमें नेगेटिव सुनी कि ना सुनी ने ताले मास इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव.